good day, whatever day it is. I don't know when these videos are gonna be posted, but today's Saturday, day 51. Got up this morning, started working on the first burn pile, got it completely raked out, kind of ready for the grass seed. Then we were able to spread the grass seed and put down straw. So that part is completely done over there. So I'm super excited for that. That's more of a just positive thing, you know, having some grass will just bring a lot of joy because everything is brown and muddy and sandy and just, you know, not that pretty right now. So Jared is working on moving dirt still. He's trying to get dirt that we removed out of our pond, moved to the riverbank to try to build that back up. And then we are now transitioning to the second burn pile. So I'm on my way right now to get the little tractor that some friends let us borrow to try to scrape some of that back. So let's get at it. Another day, another burn pit. We're getting there though. We are making progress. We've got this one broken down way more than I thought we would. Hey, day 52. Sunday, I think it's day 52, I don't know. Today I've been having a hard day today, honestly. Like, I was up all night with anxiety and I don't know, it just hits some days. I just honestly don't want this to be real, but it is. So yeah, I had a rough night and got up kind of trying to organize like our outside area, because we use it so much because we have no structures. So it's like you just have to use your space the best you can, and we're just living out of like little trailers, I feel like. But thankfully people let us borrow those said trailers and they make a huge difference. So organizing, got some stuff unboxed, and today we've been trying to dig up sewer lines at the next place that we're going to work. And also, if we have these active sewer lines, when people come to volunteer that bring their campers, at least they'd be able to dump their tanks. We don't have water or electricity, but we would have sewer, so that's better than nothing. So yeah, that's kind of what we're up to today. About it.
Well, it could.
It could if you... Okay, it is day 53, Monday. Honestly, today we just have a ton of errands to run. Jared needed his oil changed in his truck. I currently have my mom's Jeep because my Jeep washed down the river. And yeah, so I've got to get the oil changed in this. And I've also got to go to post offices and pick up packages. So that's kind of how our day's going so far. And then we have to go and pick up 2 culverts. One is going to be for us, and one is for our friends over at the tree farm. So yeah, kind of just a day of running errands, and yeah, I'm probably making y'all drunk right now because I'm trying to put the chain on the gate, but I'll keep you guys posted. So this is what we do. We come up here, we load down the carts with packages and fill it up. So yeah, that's how this works. Good morning, day 54, Tuesday. I don't know, but I'm just not sleeping. I'm having a very hard time not sleeping at all. And I'm tired, very tired, but I can't fall asleep and I can't stay asleep. And it's very, very frustrating, to say the least. So I'm out here at the Avery Airport Distribution Center. Just getting some food because, you know, I don't know, it's just a weird feeling, like getting your food from distribution centers. I don't know. Some things have become so normal, and then when you sit and it's quiet and you think about it, it's like really heavy, if that makes sense. Knowing that you went from like doing pretty good to no income, nothing like that. I don't know, it's just weird. Okay, so we commandeered a Christmas tree and I set it up outside. And I put some Christmas lights on it. It needs more, so. But yeah, that came from Avery Farms. That was at a photo shoot at Happy Hens and Highlands, and when she was done with them, I was like, I'm gonna take that tree home and then we're gonna plant it and see if it grows, because Jared's pawpaw did that and it got like 100 foot tall, so worth a try. Okay, so it's Wednesday, I think like day 55, I don't know. We've got some of the Pennsylvania guys back here, which, holy smokes, is totally crazy. I'm just so thankful for them. I mean, y'all know how much they've done for us and helped us. So part of them are back, and then we've been trying to get dirt moved. We got the last burn pile broke down, trying to dig some ditches, and also trying to get some debris moved out to the road, because apparently if it's on state right away, they will come pick it up. So yeah, we've just been doing that, and then also preparing for lots of wind. We're supposed to get like a day and a half of wind, gusts up to 30 to 50 miles per hour, so that's gonna be fun. Not. And then it's supposed to snow. So yeah, stuff like that can just be very mentally draining because you're already like completely worn out, and then you add in bad weather and it just makes it harder. So that's what's been going on today. It's been a very busy day. We just honestly haven't had hardly any time to stop. So just wanted to give you guys an update for today. I really, really hope that's not broken. Not good. So we're down here at the metal pile that you see that goes for miles and miles. Not really, but it feels like that because it's been here and it keeps getting higher. So finally, we have some help. We're getting it out of here. These guys are awesome. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Get this done. taking a turn. It would actually be really pretty if the wind wasn't blowing. And it would probably lay. But the wind is whipping. It's trying to lay, yeah. It's trying to. So we'll see what happens. Jared's coat is pretty covered. It's our first snow.
Second, heck.
Well,
It snowed that one day.
okay.
It flurried.
It flurried.
So you can eat this.
Yeah. Here we go, y'all. Just something else. I think it's gonna be back to 50 on Sunday. Oh well, I like the snow, so. There's just snow. Snowies. He said, I just want to hug.
I'm gonna go mashed potatoes and then the stuffing.
And you're going to have to apologize for that. I'm trying to. Oh, they got little Polly Pockets. Hey, look, little mini. What do we need out of there? For a pie? Is this all trash?
Okay, y'all, it is cold, but we've had an amazing turnout. We've been giving away toys, blankets, coats, and of course a wonderful Thanksgiving meal. So cold, but blessed, grateful, thankful.
He's intolerant.
That's pretty cool, buddy. Yeah. Nice. Okay, good morning. It's Saturday. We have a pretty decent sized work crew here today. So we are gonna get some stuff done. We are gonna finish cleaning up the metal pile. And we are gonna start doing water lines in the phase 2 section. And we've already got the sewer done. So yeah, it should be a very productive day. It's cold right now, but it's gonna warm up a little bit. So 45, yay, heat wave. And yeah, so every day, a little bit at a time. That's all you can do.
Get up there, yeah. That's what I was. But I got another one in the truck.
Jared, down there at the end.
Wish we had tomorrow to come back.